Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your system meets requirements. Windows 11 build 22,000 or later and 64-bit. Once confirmed, download and install a supported moving wallpaper app, like Wallpaper Engine, Lively, or Deskscapes, using administrator privileges. After installation, launch the app and grant any requested permissions, GPU access or firewall exceptions, so the wallpaper can render smoothly. Make sure you pick a 16, 9, or 21, 9 asset to match your display. This gets the engine running. Next, you'll add and configure the animated file. Once the app is open, add your animated file. Drag an MP4 or WebM into the library, or import a community bundle if supported. You'll then configure playback, enable loop, set volume to 0 for muted clips, and choose a balanced frame rate to avoid GPU spikes. Choose performance mode or battery saver on laptops so it pauses on unplug. For multiple monitors, assign which screen shows the animation and whether it should stretch, fit, or crop. These settings control quality and resource use. Fine-tune them now. Finish by applying the wallpaper as your desktop background and enabling auto start so the moving wallpaper loads at login. Make sure the app is set to restore the wallpaper after sleep or display changes. If you notice high CPU or GPU usage, reduce resolution or frame rate, switch to a static fallback on battery, and confirm hardware acceleration is on. If the wallpaper is black or fails to play, restart the app. Update your GPU drivers, run the app as administrator, and check for conflicting software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.